Welcome to our YouTube Shorts series on programming languages. In this episode, we will explore the fascinating world of coding and the different programming languages that power our digital lives. Programming languages are the backbone of software development. They allow us to communicate with computers and instruct them to perform specific tasks. Just like human languages, programming languages have their own syntax and rules that need to be followed. There are numerous programming languages out there, each with its own unique features and purposes. Some popular programming languages include Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. Each language has its own strengths and weaknesses, making it suitable for different types of projects. Python, for example, is known for its simplicity and readability. It is often used for web development, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. Java, on the other hand, is a versatile language that can be used for building desktop applications, mobile apps, and even large-scale enterprise systems. C++ is a powerful language that is commonly used for system programming and game development. It allows developers to have more control over the hardware and memory management. JavaScript, on the other hand, is primarily used for web development and adding interactivity to websites. Learning a programming language can open up a world of opportunities. It allows you to create your own software, build websites, and even develop mobile apps. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, there is always something new to learn in the world of programming languages. In this YouTube Shorts series, we will dive deep into each programming language, exploring their features, use cases, and best practices. We will also provide tips and resources to help you get started on your programming journey. So, if you are ready to embark on an exciting adventure into the world of programming languages, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our upcoming episodes. Let's get coding.